is going on, guys? Today we are at Hersheypark in Hershey, Pennsylvania to show you the construction for Chocolatetown. Now, most of the construction that is going on is for the temporary entrance that will be going up for the 2019 season. However, I think this shaded structure that you see right in front of us and the tram circle is permanent, and that is the tram circle and shade structure that's going to be in the 2020 Chocolatetown expansion. The footage that you're going to see covers about a month and a half. I believe it started from about the beginning of February, and then you're going to be seeing this footage right here that's from March 16th. So I want to show you the progress that has been made throughout those last several weeks. I'm not going to be talking the entire time because I don't think there's a lot to say about a front entrance, especially since it's not the brand new front entrance that's happening in 2020. This is just a temporary entrance. Also, there's no construction update on the coaster. That should happen sometime in the summer of 2019. I hope you guys enjoy these next few clips, and I will see you guys at the end of the video.
Yeah, I can paint copy and paste and go like crazy, but I
and then I'm over here like doing my measly, or like just doing my one It'd be a lot better, I'm just doing my 100-pound bench press.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next construction update that will show you the finished product of this temporary entrance.